One of the best ways to earn money is to stay at home and work from your laptop. What if I told you could make $13,700 in just a week from vacation? In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can use this vacation app to earn $13,700 in a week by doing absolutely nothing. So, keep watching till the end. But before we start, make sure to check the links in the description below to make big money instantly, so make sure you don't miss out on that. Subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. Now let's jump to the video. The world has opened up, everyone travels now. According to Allianz Partners, tourism to Europe will climb 600% over the previous year. The average expenditure per booking for US tourists in spring 2022 is up 87% year over year. Most people want a DIY method that's more cost-effective now. Hotels, flights, sightseeing, car parks and more. Customers choose travel websites for booking anything from city excursions to luxury hotels to flights. Travel websites provide packaged services and pricing comparisons to assist users to make good selections. Book rental vehicles, cruises, and rail vacations. Add-ons to round-trip travel. Manage changes and cancel flights. If you're not exploiting this hot trend, you're losing a great opportunity. And the other booming trend is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a $12 billion business. Can you imagine the profit potential if you combine them? Travel and tourism industry and affiliate marketing. The result would be mind-blowing. If you haven't thought about having a travel affiliate website, you're losing big money. But I know creating a travel affiliate website is a daunting task. It takes time to construct a site from scratch. You need to pay a lot on hosting, domain, freelancers, and blog entries. It demands advanced web design skills. It takes a lot of study and labor to acquire hotel booking and flight search data for your site. Even composing hotel reviews and related blog entries take a huge of staff. But what if there was a groundbreaking software that created a ready-to-profit, self-updating travel website with a click? SiteTravelPro is the first-to-market app that creates a fully automated travel affiliate website in 60 seconds. Loaded with 700,000 plus hotels, 4,000 airlines, 40,000 plus top places to visit, 100,000 plus car parkings with a click. You may sell your visitors your own products or affiliate offers, place banner ads, generate income with AdSense, propeller ads and more. Create a fully functional travel affiliate website in 3 steps. Step 1. Log into SiteTravelPro cloud-based software. Step 2. Enter your site name. Step 3. Watch as the app creates a completely automated travel affiliate site with 700,000 plus hotels, 4,000 airlines, 40,000 plus top places to visit, and 100,000 plus car parking in less than 60 seconds. Everything is wonderfully designed and mobile responsive. Your visitors can make online reservations on mobile and tablets. And it is 100% self-updating. Once your travel site is up and running in 60 seconds, it automatically changes pricing, reviews, photos, etc. Automated blog builder, make relevant blog entries for travel affiliate sites without trouble. Select from 500 plus DFY content sources or type your keyword to receive unique content. These blog entries are automatically delivered daily after your campaign begins. SiteTravelPro is the fastest and easiest way to leverage the $700 billion travel and tourism industry. You can watch SiteTravelPro demo video at the link in the description. Now, if you like to make big money as a core and long-term income source, make sure to check the links in the description. In the end, if you found this video valuable, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell.